election for the post of the Speaker of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly will be held on February 7 next. The date was notified by the Governor of Nagaland, R.N. Ravi, yesterday. Meghalaya trashed Orissa 6-0 on the third day of the Junior National Football Championship for the Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy to move to the top of Group C at third ground in Shillong yesterday. Wadajit Kinsai Ringklem scored the first hat-trick of the competition and fastest goal so far for Meghalaya in the game, according to reports. Militants opened fire at a police team at a toll plaza at Nagrata on the outskirts of Jammu, injuring a policeman, officials said today. According to Inspector General IG of Police Jammu Mukesh Singh, 3 militants have been killed in the encounter. The death toll in China from the new coronavirus reached 213 today, with overall cases worldwide rising rapidly in an outbreak that the World Health Organization declared a global health emergency. The death toll in Hubei, the Chinese province at the center of the epidemic, has risen to 204 and there were 9,692 cases of infection nationally as of yesterday, Chinese health authorities said. About 100 cases have been reported in at least 18 other countries with no deaths outside China.